Insurance Alerts, India's largest and Asia's second largest insurance news platform, which reaches to 20 countries and 200 towns of India every morning, is proud to announce fifth Asia's best and emerging insurance company, InsurTech, broker, TPA, and web aggregator awards. We are followed by over 24,000 people on LinkedIn. Award ceremony will be held in Mumbai, India on 2nd February 2024. Asian viewers can watch the event via our live telecast. The award segment will be telecasted on national television channel in India. Post glimpse will be promoted in our network and through social media handles. You can nominate your company as well as an individual as a part of management team. Inviting all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPA and web aggregators to nominate and get recognized not only in their own country but in whole of Asia.
The winners will be selected by our international jury. The jury members are Mr. G. Srinivasan, former CMD, New India Assurance India, and Director, National Insurance Academy, India.
I'm happy to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Raghunath Murthy, MCI Live, Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Raghunath Padjo Murthy, and I'm happy to be part of the international team jury members of the 5th Asia Best Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtech, brokers, TPAs, web aggregators to nominate their company for these prestigious awards. Welcome all. Thank you.
Jude Gomes, CEO, Union Insurance, Sri Lanka.
I'm happy to be a jury member for the 5th edition of Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all Asian insurers, brokers, web aggregators and insurtechs to nominate your organization and be a part of this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. MJ Azim, CEO, Pragati Life Insurance, Bangladesh.
I am happy to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all Asian insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPA, and web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition.
Mr. Deepankar Acharya, CEO, Jubilee Alliance General Insurance, Tanzania. Mr. R.K. Manandhar, Chairman, Sagarmatha Lumbini Insurance, Nepal.
Greeting everyone. I'm Ramkrishna Manandhar. I'm happy to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPA, web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Mohammad Sagir, CEO, Haya Insurance, UAE. Mr. Abbas Islami, CEO, Charisma Life Insurance, Iran. Ms. Madhulika Bhaskar, former acting MD, New India Assurance and GM GIC Re, India. Mr. M. Ziaul Haq, CEO, Chartered Life Insurance, Bangladesh.
I am happy to be part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all Asian insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPA, and web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Chanki Chhetri, CEO, Sagarmatha Lumbini Insurance and President of Insurance Association of Nepal.
Greetings everyone. I'm Jackie Chetri, CEO of Sagarmatha Lumbini Insurance Company Limited and President of Nepal Insurance Association. I'm thrilled and excited to be a part of international jury for the 5th Asia Best Emerging Insurance Award. I encourage all the insurance company, InsurTech, broker, TPA, web aggregator to submit nomination for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Sandeep Gopal, CEO, Fair First Insurance, Sri Lanka.
Hi, I'm privileged to be part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, and web aggregators to nominate your companies for this prestigious recognition. I wish you all the best through the process.
Mr. Manoj Jain, MD, Shriram Life Insurance, India.
Hi friends, I'm very happy to be part of the international team of jury members of the 5th Asia's Best Insurance Emerging Companies Award. I request all the insurance companies, insurtech firms, intermediaries, brokers to apply for this prestigious award and be part of this great event.
Mr. Ravi Liange, CEO, Janashakti Insurance, Sri Lanka. Mr. Vignesh Sahane, CEO, Agis Federal Life Insurance, India.
I'm delighted to be on the national panel of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Companies. I would invite all insurance companies, fintechs, insurtechs, TPAs, web aggregators, brokers to nominate your company for this prestigious award. Thank you.
Mr. Sudhin Roy Chaudhary, former Director LIC and Member Life IRDAI, India.
I am happy to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Nilesh Sathe, former Executive Director LIC, CEO LIC Numura Mutual Fund, whole-time director and member IRDAI.
I am happy to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Thank you.
Mr. Joseph Augustine, CEO, Excel Insurance Company, India Insurance Branch, AXA XL, a division of AXA India. Mr. Shankar Garigi Parthi, CEO and Country Head, Lloyds India.
I'm happy to be part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Awards. I invite all insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, web aggregators to nominate their company for this prestigious recognition. Good luck and look forward to the nominations.
Mr. Pankaj Gupta, CEO, Pramerica Life Insurance, India.
Hello everyone. I'm delighted to be a part of the international team of jury members for the 5th Asia's Best and Emerging Insurance Company, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs and web aggregator awards. As you know, the Indian insurance sector is one of the fastest growing in the world and is expected to keep growing at a strong pace. Being from this industry, I feel privileged to be a part of the award forum that recognizes the true drivers of the sector, the think tanks amongst us. I invite all Asian insurance companies, insurtechs, brokers, TPAs, and web aggregators to nominate their companies for this prestigious recognition. Let's come together to celebrate the efforts in creating an insurance value chain that we can all be proud of. Look forward and see you soon.
You can nominate yourself under one category or multiple categories. Multiple categories increase your chances of winning. For list of categories and more details, call or WhatsApp us on +91 93 22 33 5521 or write us on vivek.jain@insurancealerts.org. Thank you and happy winning.
Welcome to Insurance Alert broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us is Mr. Amit Sureka. He is Joint President Motor, HDFC ERGO, General Insurance Company, and also spokesperson of the company. Today we are going to talk to him regarding insurance agents, their role, and how they can make a living, plus how can they contribute toward enhancing the social security in country like India. Sir, my first question to you is how a insurance agent can enhance the uh, penetration and help in building up the social security in country like India.
Okay. So thank you, Vivek, for inviting me, and it's my pleasure to be sharing my views. Uh, so if I look at insurance agents' contribution to the insurance industry, I think it is quite significant, and it is growing year on year. So if I look at as most of the people actually want to understand from us that can insurance be a full-time career, can it to be a part-time career, and does it offer enough opportunity for them to grow uh, in insurance business. So if I look at insurance agent, so stepping back and looking at what does an individual need to be an insurance agent, and the requirements are quite simple as defined by regulation, that they need to be just 10th pass. But if I see most of our insurance agent, they are generally graduates, considering that they are financial advisor. So if I look at the profile of an insurance agent, I think they need to they if they are graduate, and if I have to talk about their livelihood, if they can make this as a professional career. So what is required for a individual to be an insurance agent? For he or she, he has to be just 10th pass. And as I told you that this profession doesn't require any investment. The only investment that we expect from individuals to be successful as an insurance agent is their commitment, their time for uh, for doing this business. So that's the most important commitment that we look forward from a channel partner. When it comes to shaping up their giving them adequate skills to be successful in the industry and servicing customers. Mm, So we as an we as an industry ensure, and especially companies who are focused on developing agency as a channel, ensure that they are being provided training to complete the licensing process as per regulation. Then as an organization, we largely focus on ensuring that when they hit the market, they should be quite aware of the product and processes of the organization. We invest in soft skills development for channel partners to also see that when they interact with their customers, I think they need to be managing the objection. They need to be building the relationship with the customer. So we as an organization or companies who focus on agency as a channel, dominant channel for them to contribute to the organization, most of them focus in the industry on ensuring that an individual who intends to make a career in insurance is being provided with adequate support from the organization, whether it is training, whether it is training on the product, processes, soft skills, providing digital tools to the channel partners so that they can fulfill the requirement of the customers in terms of policy issuance, in terms of checking the renewal base, and company also intend to ensure that the channel partners focuses on new business development. They interact with customers and find out potential customers to develop their business and provide them adequate support for renewal business. Now coming to insurance agents contributing to the insurance penetration in the industry, if I correctly remember the data, the insurance agent contribution to the industry as of today is around 24%. And most of these individual agents, considering their network, and they focus on retail products, which is largely motor and health. And if I look at that contribution within the retail business, I think their contribution is around 35%, which is extremely significant today. So they play a very important role in the insurance growth in the country. And coming to creating social awareness, coming to ensuring social security, I think India is still a very highly underpenetrated when it comes to insurance penetration as a percentage of GDP. And if, as I mentioned, that most of these agents focus on individual customers, retail products, which is motor, health. If I look at that, the potential for them to grow is significant because we still have a very significant number of uninsured vehicle population, or the health insurance penetration within the country is still needs to significantly go up. So there is a significant opportunity for the channel partners or for individuals who wants to make a career in insurance can contribute to the insurance industry.
How much can an insurance agent earn, and how can he make a proper living by only becoming an insurance agent and not doing anything?
Okay, so as I mentioned that what we expect, so in any, let's take an example or illustration of any individual, and let's say he's a graduate. And as I told you that as an organization, we are focused on agency as a channel, and minimum expectation from a channel partner or from an individual to be successful in the insurance business is that he should be committed to the insurance profession, should be able to give time. Now, as I told you that we as an organization or companies who are focused on agency attempts to provide all those tools, empower, enable a channel to be successful. Now, if we look at can he make a livelihood and if he is only into an insurance business, and let's talk specific to general insurance industry. Uh, I strongly believe that this is a very uh, career-oriented professional for individuals to make because by giving an example, let's say if he's able to devote, though this profession doesn't require, it's like a freelance business for an individual because it doesn't require a full-time commitment. However, assuming that if he's able to give 6 to 8 hours that he gives in any other business or a job that he intends to do, and I'm trying to draw a parallel that is it equivalent to uh, or how do we compare with any other profession, then we expect that by contributing 6 hours to for this business, he should be in a day, I believe, should be able to meet anywhere between 3 to 4 clients in tier 2, tier 3 cities, or even a large city for that matter. And we expect this channel when they start afresh, we expect them to focus on the national market because we feel that and it is a very scientifically evolved process in terms of how he should be progressing in his career. So we ask them to start from a
Sorry,
national market
stop.
because the success rate is significantly high when he looks at his national market. And
Yeah.
yeah, so I was saying that, so if we start with the national market, we believe, and if we're contributing 6 to 8 hours that he do in any other profession or his job, I personally believe that he should be able to meet at least 100 clients in a month. And taking a simple success ratio of probably 10%, 15% in the initial stages, I'm sure that he should be able to convert 10, 15 customers. So if I look at an annual basis, we what we expect in the first year, if he's able to be 100% committed to business, he should be having a reasonably good base of around 200 customers. And considering that the average premium is around 10,000, he can build a base of around 20, 25 lakh rupees in the first year of business, considering a base commission of 15%. I'm sure that with 6 hours of contribution per day, he can make around 3.5 lakh rupees in a year. And as in when he grows into in his business, I think renewal forms a significant part, which gives him a regular income. Plus, he adds on to the new customers. Company supports in hand holding these agents. Company supports in renewal business development and providing leads as well. So for a graduate, around 3.5 lakh rupees in a first year with a commitment of 6 hours. I believe that this profession provides him an adequate opportunity to grow. And if I had to draw parallel, a graduate in a large metro can get a job of around 3 to 5 lakh rupees max, while in a smaller town, maybe anywhere between 2 to 3 lakhs. So this profession, if an individual is willing to commit and service his customers well, I'm sure that gives a long-term career growth.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. And we will be in touch with you for more updates in times to come. Hello.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, Vivek ji. It's my pleasure.
Thank you. Namaste, sir.
Thank you.